Is that a shot or not?
That is. We were just saying goats are funny looking animals.
They are.
They're interesting looking.
They're cute.
Yeah.
And they make such nice sounds.
You know what? But my dad used to make me mow the lawn when I was younger. If I just hired a few goats.
Could have. And you could have had one for pet.
Yeah.
Or all of them for pets, right?
I know.
Really sweet creatures.
I'm sure my neighbors would love that, right? All right, well, you know what? At least you don't need to worry about sprinklers or anything to do in the yard over the next few days. Don't worry about that. We've got a late season, pretty strong storm system for this time of year moving in. Some areas could see about an inch of rain, so that is pretty good this time of year. Let's take it live outside, and it looks like rain. Look at those cumulus clouds.
Well, that's pretty, though, Jackie.
Yeah,
wow.
That's cool. I wish I was out there with my camera right now, but instead we've got Sky 2 over Burbank, just giving us these awesome shots today of this storm rolling in. We're already starting to see a few light drops of rain in the mountain areas. We've got snow in the forecast above 5,000 feet, but we could see 3 to 6 inches of snow when it's all said and done. And looking at the Doppler radar right now, you can see where we're seeing the green. That's where we're starting to see some light raindrops. And then the pink is a mix of rain and snow. And of course, white. We'll see plenty of white tonight. That will be the snow. And of course, we do have cloudy skies. We do have a big area of low pressure just off the coast. And you can see the heavier rain right around the Bay Area as we speak. This low will be dropping in tonight through tomorrow morning. And that's when we expect to see the heaviest amounts of rain. We won't be done then. Once it passes through and we're on the backside of that low, we'll get another round of rain by about tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. So just keep in mind what you need to know. The next 2 mornings, your commute might be a little bit slow. That's when we expect to see most of that wet weather coming down. Temperature-wise, we're running about 10 degrees below average, and that will continue to be the case. It's definitely feeling a little more like fall out there. Not only that, but we've got those gusty winds making it feel even cooler than it is. In fact, in Pasadena, we're down to 50 degrees, 59 in Hollywood, low 60s as you head into Orange County along the coast, upper 50s to low 60s. And looking at those winds, they are starting to pick up. We do have wind advisories in place for the Antelope Valley as well as the mountains of LA and Ventura counties that will continue through tomorrow night. So again, it is going to be cool, it's going to be wet, and it is going to be windy. It's not going to be an all day of rain tomorrow, but in the morning hours, we do expect to see the heaviest amounts of rain. So that area of low pressure pushing in, we've got that strong onshore flow bringing in the extra moisture from the south and the west, and that's what's going to enhance the rainfall. Temperatures for tomorrow will be into the mid 60s, back into the upper 60s by about Wednesday, but still a chance of showers in the morning hours, and a little bit warmer by the end of the week with clearing skies. But just keep in mind you'll need those umbrellas over the next 2 days. Back to you.